Welcome to week 14. I just want to give you a little outline of the plan for this week. On Monday, you're going to continue working on the planning sheet that you should have started on Friday. So that looks like this. Basically, you're outlining what your story is going to be about. So characters and descriptions, what kind of characters are you going to have in the story that you're writing? Setting, plot, conflict, resolution. Please fill all this stuff out. Really put some thought into what do you want your story to be about, what is going to be the main conflict, and how is it going to get resolved. Where are you going to find your character names? Do you want to name them after people you know, names that you like? Really put some thought into planning this. My example is down here, so feel free to look through my example if you want to. Your planning sheet is due on Tuesday, so get that planning sheet done, really think about it and turn it in by Tuesday, and then the rest of the week you're just going to be working on writing your flash fiction story. So open up a new document and just start writing. Remember that you need things like good, strong word choices, you need to have dialogue. Again, there has to be a main conflict that gets resolved somehow. It doesn't need to be long. If you remember looking at my example story, it was about a page and a half long. So a flash fiction is very, very short, but it still has all the story elements in it. So you're going to work on writing that this week. On Thursday, there's an article that I want you to look at. It's about how to edit a story, some things you can do to make your story better and make sure that you get all the points on it. So please look through that on Thursday. Your final flash fiction story is going to be due by Wednesday of next week, which is the day before we go into Christmas break. So you have until right before we move into Christmas break to get that done. It'll end our creative writing unit. So please be working on it a lot this week so that you don't have to, do it all and get it done quickly next week. If you want help, if you want me to look at your story, you can always share it with me. You can ask questions about it. Let me know what you need. Let me know what kind of help you need. But work on your story this week. Good luck. Hope it goes well. Let me know what you need and have a really great week.